guys, welcome back to what? That's crazy. Well, anyways, hi, welcome to the channel. We right now are Rowan and I is what I mean by we, and we are cleaning out the clubhouse. We're trying to take out the floor and all that stuff. We got a list done, and we took out the newspapers. We're tearing up the floor in there. We took out the newspapers from underneath, and then we
portable TV.
Look at a color TV for $330.
It's portable too.
Portable color TV. That's like the thing back then.
Stereo.
Stereo, $279. With tape deck. What's a tape deck?
So you can put tapes in, you know?
Oh, there's a cat. Puss in Boots? What? Is that before the movie? No, well, obviously it's before the movie. Okay, to Wednesday, December 13th, 1972. It's a pretty big newspaper. Lifesaver.
There's Christmas presents on that side.
Oh, it's Christmas presents. Guys, if you lived in the 70s, what would you get? Oh, that's sick. I would want that. There's only 6 things. There's not much to choose from. But anyways, let's go inside. Okay, well, we started sweeping out, and that's the stuff we put in the wheelbarrow, so we could take it and dump it somewhere out there. And then we open the door, and then we tear it up. This is what the underneath side of this floor looks like. And there's all newspapers there. It's all from 1972. I get a hole in the wall there. It's not good. Yeah, it's all just newspapers underneath.
Santa says, be smart. Cut your costs during the big Christmas carpet sale.
Carpet sale. We should take some carpet from Santa Claus. Right? Yeah. Probably. Oh! That's it's like an ant with wings or something. I don't know. Well, this is what it's looking like in here right now.
Come on.
So I think I've already said this before, but that's gonna be a couch, that's gonna be a bed, and that's gonna be a bed. I'm not sure if we're gonna keep both of them, but if we are, it's gonna be the same couch, bed. And then we're gonna replace all these walls. Here, I'm gonna just show you the list I just got in my pocket here. Merry Christmas. They're all Christmas papers.
Ooh, what? We offer you Kingston's largest selection of diamonds between $100 to $300.
Diamonds?
Yep.
Wow, nice. Okay, well, this is the list. Got the list here. Yep.
Prices for the rings.
$450. $275. Holy, $699. Wow, that's an expensive one right there.
Hey, Brock Diamond.
Oh, that's a lot of diamonds. Oh,
Brock
wow.
Diamond.
Brock Diamond. That's me. No, wait. What year is it? 1972, I think.
Yep, 1972.
Yep. That's crazy.
December 14th.
If only it was December 14th, but it's not, so that sucks.
I don't think we'd be able to bring this if it was.
If it was December 14th, no, because we would not be in t-shirts, and we probably would not be cleaning out our old house. But I'm going to put this on time-lapse, so that you're going to see a triple ball floor and clean it up a bit in here, and it's going to be really fun. Okay, so I'll see you in just a second. Okay, guys, so we have mostly cleared up all of the floor, but it still looks pretty good in here. Like, it's like, we just need to sweep it out more. Like, mostly all of the white stuff that like, all that under there, right, that stuff. We're gonna, like, try to lift this pole up, and then one of us is gonna rip all that up. Oh, there's, like, what is that stuff? That's weird. We're gonna have to try to get that out, and, okay, Ron, come here. We gotta try to lift that pole up there, so we could get that newspaper underneath. Like, Oh, she's hello. Okay, so we're gonna have to get the stuff out from under there, and then
Come closer.
sweep more.
Go over here.
What?
Kneel down and look under there. There's a draft.
Oh snap!
You can see sunlight through
Right
it.
there. Wait, Rowan, keep the camera like faced on that. I'm gonna see if I can wave and see if you can see my hand. Oh, no, I can't. I can't get my hand under there. I couldn't even find where the hole was. If it was on. Yeah.
I saw the sun go away when you did that,
It was
though.
on the back side instead of this side. I
I saw
thought
the
about it.
light go away for a split second when you did that, though.
Yeah. Okay, so let's lift that up and then we can. So put the. Okay, hopefully you can see it, but I actually don't know. Okay, Ron, I'm gonna see if I can lift this up and then you can do.
But it's really heavy wanting you.
Oh yeah, it is quite heavy. Okay, let's both lift it, and then just one of us takes our hands off and pulls it.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Whew. Okay, so we did get a little bit more on the floor right here.
There's
And
more on the
more
other
newspaper. 1972. Oh, Friday, December 22nd. Okay, so there's Friday now.
Gotta do that again for the back one.
What? Oh yeah, we gotta do that again for the back. So I'm gonna camera right here. Okay, it is on some gross stuff, so I'm gonna have to wash my case after this. But
3, 2, 1. I'm gonna wash my clothes after that.
so it's looking great now. So now we're just gonna sweep probably right now, and then
There's still more stuff underneath these, but we got this.
yeah, doing good. We've got a lot of progress done so far. Yeah, we gotta get under there right now. Let's do that. Want me to sweep first? Okay guys, I'm gonna put on a time lapse and then we're gonna be done sweeping in about maybe 3-4 seconds, okay? Hello everybody. Just gonna point this out real quick. That time lapse was definitely not 3 seconds. But we're gonna probably take a break for a bit. I have 2 pairs of gloves on, so my hands are pretty sweaty. Oh, look at that. That is nice and shiny. Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
that's crazy. Oh wow. Whoa. I'm excited to see what my hand looks like. Okay, well, we're gonna take a break for now. We did some good damage. Now there's still some we gotta get from under there, but yeah, we're gonna go take a break for a bit. So we're walking back to the shop, right?
Yep.
Okay, so okay, let me show you all this. So those are 2 buckets full of sand. You probably saw us moving them. They were from that corner in there. And then that was all the stuff I was seeing before we even started the video. And then here's all the floor that we took out with the newspaper. And here's a table that we're probably gonna put in, like build some legs for it, because we don't know where the legs are. It's just not there. And then here's some newspaper. I think we're keeping it because says like my name on it. That's one of the fun stuff. And then there's the ladder we use as shelves. And then both of our dads are mowing the lawn. You can see them up there. But yep, okay, we're gonna walk over to the shop and then we're probably gonna take a break for like 20 minutes or something. And then we'll come back to this and hopefully we get a lot done today. Because I think tomorrow Mila's coming, right?
Yep, probably later because she has school.
Yeah, so probably, because it is Wednesday, no, it's Thursday.
It's Thursday.
Yesterday was Wednesday, obviously. Okay, well anyways, I'll see you in like about a split second. So we're now walking back to the clubhouse to do some more work. And look at that river flowing. That's just like spectacular, isn't that? That was a fun word I just used, spectacular. Oh snap, I just stepped down into there. And then I just wasn't expecting it. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the camera real quick so that way we're at the clubhouse when yeah, whatever. Okay, now we're at the clubhouse again. And here's the damage. It is going to rain today. We have to clean this up and put that probably in the barn right there. Put it like in there. That's my brother walking. But yeah, we're gonna throw this all out. That's gonna get thrown out, and yeah, we'll deal with all the rest of it. We're probably just gonna dump that into nature because yeah, we're gonna have to put stuff in that shed right there. That's my brother walking right back there. Yeah, these chairs, don't mind the hammer right there. We just needed it to tear up the floors a bit. But let's take a look inside and see how glorious it looks. Doesn't that look clean? Man, I wish I did it before. That actually looks amazing. We're not quite done because we still gotta, because we actually like nailed that down right there. Like right there. Because like, we should have tore up the floor and then ripped up the, wait, what? No, tore up the floor and then put the plywood down there. So
we have to take that plywood out, take away the floor underneath, and then put the plywood back to fix it.
Yeah, so we could probably just use that hammer out there, like just pry the wood up, take it out, and then hammer it back down. But I don't think that's a nail. No, it's a screw.
Some of those are screws.
Yeah.
Some of them are
like,
nails.
Yeah, I don't
There's
see
a
it.
nail.
Oh, that's a nail right here. That's the screw though. Anyways, yeah, so I think we should paint oh, look at the mosquito right there. It's fun. Anyways, we're gonna probably paint these shelves. Oh, did you actually kill him? Oh, he's probably, oh, that was fun. We're probably gonna paint these shelves. That is not a nest. We discovered that in the last video. And we're probably gonna paint them black or white or something, right? Ron? These black or white. And then these are gonna get painted because they're kind of rusty. You could just tell, like, right there, that's just rust.
Sand it down.
It won't focus. There we go, now it's focused. Yeah, we're probably gonna sand it and then paint it. You could put in the comments what you think we should paint it. But, okay, so what are we gonna work on right now?
Probably getting everything out from underneath there.
Yeah, from right
and
there.
moving some of the stuff from outside into the shed.
Yeah. Okay, let's get on that. So, I'm just gonna, like, we did do pretty good sweeping, you know that. So I'm covered, trying to get as much as I could from under there. But we're gonna like scoot it out and then do some more sweeping.
We gotta get a lot of that.
Like we don't even, okay, so I'm just gonna put the camera right here for a sec. Okay, you can see. Oh, what even is that? Like,
I don't know.
what? It's like you can just see right through it. It's like a bent pipe. Oh, it's not even that heavy. It's like maybe 6 pounds or something, maybe. Oh no, that's a little bit of a mess, but we're good. Oh, this floor's so crusty. Oh, a mosquito almost just bit me, but I'm chilling. Oh, that was terrifying.
Tomato sauce for
Where?
$1.
$1 for tomato sauce. Good luck trying to get that in 2025. Oh, it's a straight one.
Oh,
Oh, that sucks. So, looks like we have like some kind of pipe connection stuff here.
honestly, sort of looks like a chimney.
Yeah, it's like a chimney. Just walk like the spider web right there. Well, it's fun. So we're gonna have to repair those holes there. But Mila gets here tomorrow. We found out that earlier when we were eating. By the way, bet you can't guess what we ate for lunch. It was so good. Okay, I'll give you like a few minutes to think. You don't really need a few minutes, but you don't even have to if you don't want to, but
I'm not forcing you to do anything.
oh, there's a tag here.
Tag? What does it say?
Flight number 551. Name is H. Reynolds. Destination Toronto, Canada.
Oh.
You can kind of see that. Wait, pick up the camera. So does it say H. Reynolds or something? Okay.
H or A? It looked like H or A.
Wait, what is it? H? Is it H?
Do you know
No,
what
it's
it
A. It's A.
Do you know
It's
what
definitely A.
is? H or A?
It's my mom's stepmom. Yeah, my mom's stepmom.
Killed the bug.
You killed a bug?
Yeah.
That's great.
Oh, let's go get out of here.
Wait, this says something on it. Oh, it's just. Oh, it's clay. This is a clay
Right over here
material.
with the other one? Two?
Yep. Oh,
You can dump that stuff out of it. Sweep it.
how much stuff is in it? Oh, it's literally just leaves. Nothing much. But yeah, we have to clean this out. Look at that.
Clay work.
What is that? Oh, that's a moth. It's a moth. Okay, so I think, Rowan, we should take some of this dirt out, like right there and right there. Are you sweeping the top? Gang.
Recommended. Not recommended. For what?
Not recommended. Not recommended. What?
Dude, the brush is gone.
Yeah, that's spelled right. Recommended.
The brush for the, that was on the shelf is gone.
Oh, that's not good.
Let's open the shed. If we can.
We mostly, like when we started this build, we mostly already took everything out of there and put it in here, and we locked it with a stick. It's like the only thing that we need to lock it from is like animals, and animals don't know how to take a stick out of a lock thing. Okay, viewers first. How about that? Oh, look at that fun stuff. Any animals?
Doesn't look like it.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh, there's a red tricycle. How beautiful. Wait, I'm gonna go. Oh, there's a floating leaf right there. Right there. Oh, I just hit my head on the tree. Oh, that's fun looking.
Okay.
Okay, I will pick the camera up right when we have all the stuff in the shed. Yeah, dump this somewhere down here with the rest of the garbage. It's not really the best idea to be dumping stuff down here, but we have nowhere else to put it. And I'm probably gonna stop doing this soon. My mom grew up here and she never really liked the idea of doing it. There's the water still flowing. Oh, I'm excited to see how full like the little water area down here is gonna be.
Yeah.
Oh, the tree right here just fell down and they already cut it. That's crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna dump it.
Oh.
It's not that full, but let's go down there for a sec. I'm just gonna dump this here. Okay, let's go down. It's flowing fast. You can't really see very much in the camera since it's so wobbly. Oh, here's the bridges that we made that. Oh, this is high. Well, that's a railway tie. I don't know. That's just a bridge that we made out of wood. My brother and I made it, so it's not holding up too well. That was really deep right there. But I got tall boots, so. Yeah, that's not too deep. Oh, this is usually like, that's land usually right here. This is really fast.
Hands are washed.
Yeah, wait, let me do that really quick. Oh, it's cold. I can still feel it, but I bet you my hands are not wet. Oh no, there was a mosquito. This is so cool because I'm not actually getting wet. Oh, it helps me wash my phone case too. Oh, nice and clean. Just gonna dry it on my shirt real quick. Gang, get these mosquitoes out of here.
Yeah, let's go back up to the safer area.
Yeah, where there's less mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes.
There's one on your head.
No, there's not.
Okay, we're on our way back up. So now when we get back up, we're gonna... What are we gonna do when we get back up?
Probably try to get that floor.
Oh, there's a dragonfly! That's the first dragonfly I've seen. And
It's like the third dragonfly I've seen.
is it summer yet? No, it's still
No.
spring.
It's still spring.
It's only May 15th. Did we leave the list at the house?
Yes, we did. In fact.
Guys, look at the barn's roof. It's better for like right where I am. But like it's like completely collapsed in.
You can see better from in it.
Okay, I will see you guys in a few minutes because we gotta load this up and then we're gonna and then we're gonna dump it somewhere and bye. Okay, guys. Oh wait, there's a mosquito. But I got a new pair of gloves, and look how glorious this photo looks. We just have a little bit more stuff to do, right?
For today, yes.
Yeah, because we're not finishing all this today, obviously. It's like probably impossible. Oh, that looks fun. That's a nice little like wood up there.
Oh.
If only we had more of that, then we could just make it like all of this.
Yeah.
Just that wood.
I like the floor and something.
Yeah.
We just continue the wall over there.
Yeah, because that just ends just right along that path there.
And
So we just gotta close that. Oh, that window is quite bright. We could just, oh, now I can't see. But like, just like, put the wood there. Okay, so right now we're gonna clean out the stuff from underneath there and sweep a little bit more. And then, yeah, it's just gonna be fun. So I'm just gonna record it while we just do it, because like, why not? Okay, Roger, can you just like help me just lift this and take the stuff out?
Yep. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Come. Oh no.
It's like stuck.
Okay. I'm gonna try to lift it and then. Oh. Oh yeah. Poinsettias for half price.
Wow, guys, better get your poinsettias quick before they sell out.
Oh, artificial.
Oh.
And holly. Oh, sweet.
Okay, this is a big thing. Guys, it turns out we did not get all over the floor. That's a pretty big piece. A giant sheet of metal. That's great. I'm just gonna put this outside. A giant sheet of metal.
Oh. More golf balls.
Sweep, sweep. Wait, I am going to get a hammer and then just try to take this out from underneath there.
It's just right there in the middle.
Oh, it's got it right here. Bam, bam. Okay, so this is quite a big patch, but I gotta try to fry it up. This is normally just meant for frying the screws up, not wood planks. Oh, I think I got it out. Okay, the wood cracked a bit, but I think we're good. Oh, man.
We need to wash this.
The floor?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, tomorrow, I think the tomorrow job should be turned on the wall. But there's going to be lots of insulation in the walls, so we're going to have to mask up for that.
Lots of masks because
Yeah, probably like triple mask or something.
that's not.
It's not very good to breathe in.
I've already breathed in too much today because of how much we've
Yeah,
slept up.
because you saw, like, you probably didn't see it, but in the time lapses, like, I think it was the last one. Yeah, when we were sleeping. There we go, that's back in place. But when we were sweeping, there was so much dust in the air, and it's like, we were sneezing so much.
Probably got that in the time lapse.
But this house was built, like, before the house up on the hill was built.
I thought you were
This is where they live.
down by the bay. Down by the bay.
Where the apples grow. I always go.
I guess we have to get all of this out.
Yeah.
You're not plank.
Where's that, where did that dustpan go? Oh, it's right here. I'm just gonna try to get. Okay. I'm just gonna put this outside and then we're gonna do a tripod. It's called a baby chair. I think these things are like from the pine trees.
Yeah.
Like from the pine cones, and there's like the leaf things off them. This is a nice blank.
Start getting the stuff off the tops.
Just look at what's on the top of this. There's a lot on the top of here. Oh yeah, that is a lot of a wall. Look at that giant hole in the wall. Oh, look at her go. She's off the ground. Oh, she's gonna sweep up there. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys see up here. I'm too short, so can't really see. Well, I'm 4'11". I think I might be 5 foot. I'm not sure. I said I was 5 foot today. See how that's like in multiple pieces. Oh, that was a stone.
Lots more sweeping to do.
Okay, so let me just like take that.
I also want to take this for a second. Don't turn that away from you. Turn the top away from you so you don't dump it on your face. Okay.
Yikes, almost didn't make it through the door. That wood is not that bad.
I don't know if I trust it for being
That? I
strong.
don't trust that.
Is it strong?
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I trust this, but that. Pass me that broom.
That's probably fine.
That is terrifying, man.
Bro, I actually do think it is gonna rain tonight, but I think we should keep these outside. So it kind of will clean them.
Not the wood, though.
Yeah, we'll
The
take
wood
out the wood.
will-
Because the wood will like, the wood's gonna mold. Well, it's not gonna do that for a long time. But like, I don't want to get it wet. We'll keep the wood inside.
You want to try to get this top one out again? The second top one?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, wait. Okay.
You see, this is so dirty. Okay, wait. Let's turning it that way.
No, we're good. It's fine.
Yeah, I turned it that way so we would drop all that stuff.
Wait, oh, just... Okay.
Not for this one.
Okay, how about I get this into a time lapse so this goes a little faster? Guys, it feels like it's been forever. We've been like slow motion. I mean, time lapse. That video was time lapse for like maybe I would say probably a minute 30 seconds. I don't know actually because I really just picked up the phone and started recording again. But look at this. So we ended up removing that little bed thing out there. You saw that us do that in the time lapse. And then there's a little hole in the ground over here. They're putting all this stuff down. Okay, I love sneezing. Oh, coming through. Not too sure what you can see there. Quite dusty. Oh man, it's dusty in here. Woo! Holy smokes. Oh, man, that's BAD. This video is probably like so long. This like video that I'm recording right now is 3 minutes long currently. Oh, you know what? I'll just like see you in a second when we have some more stuff done. But look at this is what the workspace is looking like right now. We got all this wood that's there, here, off of that stuff. We took it off of the one that's inside still.
Oh, it's so cloudy in there.
I got a bug spray right there. That's why we're immune to the mosquitoes, right?
Sure.
Yeah. So guys, I just forgot to wrap up the video because I thought we wouldn't be done yet, but we are done. And for today, at least, we're going to make another video tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit shorter. I'm going to try to make it as short as possible. But I know this one that I posted this video was extremely long. I'm in the puddle right now. Just chilling on the 4-wheeler. Anyways, yep, so that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Smash like if you did. Subscribe. And tell me if you want some more videos that are about the clubhouse and like renovating places. I don't know. We could just rearrange things. Anyways, bye.